Hey guys, this is Hamid. So today I will talk about different e-commerce platforms we can make money with. So apart from making a store, putting it on Etsy, eBay, Amazon, or if you own your site, let's say in Shopify, so you put it out there, there are actually plenty of other e-commerce platforms where you can keep your inventory and make a website and sell. And apart from making your own store, you can provide the services. I posted a few days back about which e-commerce platforms do you guys work in, and the answer was from the development point of view, like from a programming point of view. The answer was Shopify, WooCommerce, Shopify, WooCommerce, Shopify, WooCommerce, Shopify, WooCommerce. So guys, if you have to make money, then there are plenty of other e-commerce platforms where an e-commerce store owner, he can go ahead and put up their inventory out there, and then the service agencies or freelancers, they can actually provide the services for development, for customizations, for their search engine optimization, for the marketing. For example, let's talk about other platforms: Big Cartel, Magento, and then Etsy, and then we're talking about Volusion, BigCommerce, Squarespace, Lemonstand, Pinnacle Card, Core Commerce, and then plenty of other platforms, Miva. I'm not sure if you heard about these platforms, but if you find the list of e-commerce stores or the platforms, you'll be able to get that. And I would suggest that find your expertise and build your expertise to the platforms where there is less traffic and more demand. Thank you so much.